Hi folks, it's week 4, and that means it's time for your first test. Your test consists of 2 parts. Part 1 is 10 multiple choice questions over the concepts that you've learned in chapters 1 and 2 of Head First C#. The second part of the test consists of 2 programming problems. You will be asked to write 2 relatively simple applications. One will be very similar, nearly identical in fact, to the example I gave you in our last face-to-face meeting on Thursday, the 8th. The other one is virtually identical to your homework from chapter 1. These are new original applications. You won't really reuse the code, much of it anyhow, from past homework, but the techniques will be the same. Now here's the deal. As I've already explained in the syllabus and in our introduction, our first class meeting, you are free to use whatever resources you find helpful in completing these projects. You have all week. Okay? The test will be available at midnight on Monday the 12th. You have until 11:59 p.m. on Sunday the 18th to submit everything. You can use any resources available to you to complete the projects. All I ask, give me a comment in your code, letting me know where you got any code that you found. And as with your development project and 2 homeworks, you must give me an original explanation in your own words of your code. How does your application work? How does your solution solve the problem? And for the test, I want details. It's worth 15 points, whereas the working application is only worth 10. And so I want a significant level of detail. You need to demonstrate to me that you understand what you've developed. Show me that you understand the application. Your test is on Blackboard. It'll become available at midnight on Monday the 12th. It must be completed in its entirety by 11:59 p.m. on Sunday. You're not required to complete it in one sitting, so you can start it, you can take a look at the problems, download the images you'll need for one of them, they're linked in the test, and complete the projects. The submission for the programming problems on the test will be identical to what you did for development project 1. So you have one question that's a file submission worth 10 points. You upload a zip file of your project folder. Now let me be clear on this. If you've been opening your projects to work on them, you've gone in and found the folder where you've saved everything and double-clicked on the solution file. Sending me that file alone will not do any good because that does not include all of the files for your project. So you need to give me the folder that the solution file is in. It's the top level folder with the name of your project. So name your projects uniquely, find that folder. Right-click on the folder, choose Send to Compressed File. That'll create a zip file. That's what you attach to your test. Okay? If you do not understand this, you need to call me, email me, or stop by my office ASAP. Don't wait. Okay? You will not get credit if all I get from you is a solution file. I have to have a zip file of your entire project folder. Okay? Have to. It's an automatic 0 if I don't get a zip file of your entire project folder. So if you have any questions at all, you need to call me, you need to email me, or you need to come to my office. Non-negotiable. I'll be glad to help you with this. Look, if you want to bring your laptop in when you're ready to complete that question, feel free to do so, and I will even guide you through the process step by step of successfully getting your application into the test. Alright, so welcome to week 4, and I am praying for each and every one of you that God will recall to your mind all that you've learned these last 3 weeks.